China.
China,
Listen, pretty lady, come and follow me go. Pretty lady, come and follow me go. Pretty lady, come and follow me go. My name is Prince.
this man.
For what?
So that I can call you maybe if I reach where I'm going to.
You're too fine. Your mama born you on Sunday, I swear.
Really?
Yes.
Not be juju be
What
that.
can I do for you?
Actually, nothing much. I like you.
Not be juju be that.
Will you keep quiet? And
You think say they wise?
is this how you go about the streets and ask people of their number?
No. But can I have your number?
For what reason actually?
I like you.
This man.
Anyway,
He shock you.
in order not to waste my time, as you can see, I'm rushing to a friend's birthday, Chidi Renaj. So if you are true and you are serious to get my number, so you can come and meet me there. Have a nice day. At least we'll have a long chat and have fun. Then you can have the number. Thank you.
You think say they wise?
Does it mean that this girl can give me a number?
What type of plane is this?
No. You see this birthday, I must make sure I'll be there. This girl, I must collect her number. I so much love her. So much love. Chidire, I must be in your birthday to make sure I collect this girl number. Hello viewers. At this juncture, I use this opportunity to wish Chidire Nnaji Nwafemi happy birthday. I wish you longer life and prosperity, more connections, more answer in your account. I love you.
You see, as this lady does what lady no do pass like this, so I call her a definition of what a man can do, a woman can do pro max. First thought, I when they represent Woto. White material, check. Beauty, check. Brain, check. God fearing, check. First thought, I will get levels plus expensive doings, join. Many more years to you, mama. Success in all your endeavors. Above all.